Okay, this is HP Pavilion 15 laptop. We have just received the laptop from customer for no display issues. As you can see, if you turn on the laptop, there's only a standby light is coming. There is no display over here. So we have initially we have thought there may be an issue with the display or display cable. Later on we have found that both the things are fine, and we have to just check into the motherboard obviously. First of all, we have to remove the battery, and there are got a lot of screws over here. We'll just remove all those screws. And we have to just firmly remove the back door because it's a plastic thing, so you have to be just careful with that. And later on we have found that the capacitors for the display card and the display cable assemblies has been failure, and we have replaced those components which are using our blower, and now I think we have sorted out the issues. And you can see these two assemblies and also these components. You can see here this one had some problem. We have replaced those components, and I will show you the result. And now the display is okay. We have First Choice Computers Laptop Service Center. Keep supporting us. Thank you.